Our video this time, discussing about assignment operator. EH plus, the same as the second part. Just straight up. We do it. The script. Well, here for example I have a variable, which I name the variable a. It's worth 15. If we want to add variable a with certain number, of course we have to create one more variable, like this. Yes, I did it like this. Like this. The variable a will be added to the constant is 3. If I do this, of course I will. I made the output like this. Then try to run it in the terminal. Well, the result is 18. Well, of course, if it's like this. I see you conducting variable waste. Yeah, too many variables to 2. There is a way, so that variables, it's not too much, like this, just one variable. Then we use it. Assignment operator. Plus equals, this one. Means here we make. Now let's just delete this b variable. We're gonna use this one, which is like I said earlier, which is plus equals. Then here I do it. Plus equals, like that, yeah. 3. Well, here we replace the variable a for the output to remain variable, basic or initial variable, which is a. Don't need us to add more variables like before. Well, now let's run if the result is the same, which is 18. The result is the same 18. So, it's like that, guys. Yes, if you want to sum value of a variable with value constant or fixed or changing values can also. Then the guys don't have to add more variables. But only one variable is initial variable. How much we want to add. With what value, yes. For example, with the value of 3. Then everyone just add a plus equals 3 like this. Then, just print the variables. Because the variables stay the same, which is then print a like that. Pretty easy, right, guys? Hopefully tutorial. This is useful. Thank you.